2025 is here, and this could really be your year. But how many times have you set goals in January just to forget them by February? If you've ever struggled to stick to your yearly goals, this is the video for you. Today, I'm laying out 3 easy steps for you to not only set goals, but to achieve them this year. We're gonna get you to become the person you always wanted to be, all right? Step 1 is writing your goals down. I don't mean just writing them down vaguely. I'm talking about in a way that solidifies it in your mind and allows it to become measurable. Here's a good example. Your goal is to lose weight. When you write these goals down, you shouldn't just be writing, I want to lose weight. That's too vague. Instead, you should be writing goals like, I want to lose 50 pounds by going to the gym consistently and meal planning a healthy diet. Now that you wrote down a specific goal, you have something concrete that's easy to measure. And writing goals down like this can really motivate you because it's pushing you to keep winning. So writing your goals down is great, but writing them down doesn't mean anything if you're not reminding yourself about these goals. I like to keep it simple. I put my goals in a place where I can see them every single day. For example, my whiteboard or my journal. I see them both in the daytime and at night. And there's more detailed explanations on how to use these tools in step 3. But seeing them consistently brings me back to reality and reminds me what I'm working for and working towards every single day. So let's go back to that 50-pound weight loss goal. Reminding yourself on the daily would mean to take that big goal of yours and break it down into smaller, more winnable goals. For example, 1 week, your goal for the week should be to meal prep chicken, broccoli, and rice, for example, and a low-calorie breakfast burrito. This should be your plan for the week because this is a smaller goal, and if you can do this for a week, you've already shown yourself that you could do it again. And if those mini goals for the week yields actual progress, then you already know you're gonna hit that goal by the end of the year. Plus, hitting the mini goals and checking them off the list is really gonna give you that dopamine you crave and give you better control over it. Now, the last step is to monitor your progress and be honest with yourself. This part is key because it's what actually keeps you on track. You can talk all you want, you can remind yourself all you want, but if you're not tracking your progress, you won't know if you're actually making a difference, especially over the course of the year. So I'm gonna show you 2 methods. You could use either one. I use them both personally, but they'll make sure that you're tracking everything that you need to track. All right, so this is the first thing. It's the whiteboard method. Basically, you get a big whiteboard, maybe 28 inches is what I use, and you write down your yearly goals on the left side, as you can see here. These turn into your weekly goals. These are your mini goals. You take these mini goals and you correlate them to the big goals. So this is the first way that I track my goals. The second way that I track my goals, this is my accountability journal. I've been using it for months. There's actually a video that me and Adrian made about it on our BTB channel. If you want to check it out, it'll be in the description. You basically track all your daily habits and make sure that you're doing them. Stretching, exercising, and taking vitamins. I make sure that I'm doing that, and I'm making sure I'm tracking my weight every week. You could change that to every day. Also putting down your highlight of the day, your monthly goals, if you reach them or not. Here, since it's January, I put the January goals as well as the yearly goals. And you can monitor your progress this way as well. You can always flip back to this page and check where you're at. So if you actually want to achieve your goals this year, good luck. Take these steps into consideration, write down your goals, remind yourself of your goals, and track your progress. And I guarantee you, you're going to become the person that you actually want to be. Good luck. I'll see you folks next time. Peace.